With so many privacy laws, have you ever questioned what is personal data and what are the different types of personal data? Watch this video and I will help you what is personal data and what are the different types. Hello and welcome. My name is Punit Bhatia and in this video I am going to introduce personal data and different types of personal data. If we simplify and generalize, most of the privacy laws talk about personal data as something that identifies a person directly or indirectly. That is, any information that relates to a person, an individual, directly or indirectly is personal data. Now that's quite complicated. Let's simplify it. Name, age, date of birth, your home address, your IP address. These are bits which when combined can give a very clear idea about who we are talking about. So all these elements are personal data. That's personal data. Sometimes we also talk about special categories of data or sensitive data. Now this is a special category of data when personal information belongs to a category of religious or racial or union or trade union kind of information. For example, your trade union number, your ethnicity, or your sexual preferences or orientation, or health data, or your national ID. Now these are special categories of data which are termed as sensitive or special based on which law we are talking about. Compared to the normal personal data, these sensitive special categories of data are provided with additional security and additional protection. So compared to personal data, you should protect sensitive data a little bit more. And then we also talk about children's data. Children's data is, yes, anybody lower than a certain age. Now each country and each law defines that age differently. Some of them say 13, some of them say 14, and some of them say 16. So you need to look at which country or which law you are applying and then judge if it's children's data. The restriction on children's data is you do not process it unless strictly necessary. That's true for all types. But if you need to process personal data of children, you need to ask for consent of parents if they are below a certain threshold, and you will not use children's data for marketing purposes. So that was short overview of personal data is any personally identifiable information, sometimes also called PII. Sensitive or special categories of data, that is special, gives a little bit more information which is sensitive in nature, and children's data, that is about children. I hope you find this video useful. Do click like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a great day.